Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. We are at Perth Underground Station on a weekend, and look at that sign. Yanchep, 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 Mandurah, Cockburn Central, Cockburn Central. Yes, today is an extremely strange weekend afternoon. Oh yeah. Listen to this. They've changed the announcements like this week. I don't know why. There's like barely any difference. They just changed the voice, like the way it sounds. And I heard that for Yanchep Claremont announcements as well, as they changed it to smoking and vaping is prohibited on transport property. Good. But anyway, that Mandurah line train that you just heard 10 minutes is the last one for the day, because there is this extremely strange afternoon closure today, which I've never seen happen before. Just randomly, last service before 5 PM, so still full daylight. It's just last service to Mandurah, and then it's closed all the way from Cockburn Central to Mandurah. So 909 is running all that distance in daylight, which I do not remember the last time that happened as a schedule disruption, even though just over a week ago we had it running Cockburn to Rockingham almost the whole day because of the incident. But that was obviously unscheduled and much less planned, so I didn't really go and film that. But this is cool and I want to see it. So we're here for the last Mandurah service right now. Sorry, my camera's probably trash right now, but you'll be happy to know actually there is a new phone on the way. This might be one of the last videos I'm filming with this phone, which I've been using for so long, and then hopefully we'll get a lot of better camera quality after that. But anyway, you'll see that soon. Let's get back to this now. So as you can see, Mandurah 9 minutes, then Cockburn Central. This is the last train to Mandurah for the day, so if anyone misses it, well, unfortunate for them, they've got a long ride on 909. Let's wait for it. Here we go, the very last Mandurah service, and you can see it's so full, so it's going to be so bad right now on the next one. And I think we've got a C-Series coming in on the other side. There's actually 2 running today, which is very strange. I haven't seen 2 running on weekends for so long. Yep, 133 I think is here. Currently the newest in service, although 134 should be coming in very soon as well. But we're not going that way. There's the announcement. It still says tonight, even though it's like fully during the daytime at the moment right now. Still full daylight. And let's hear the new Yanchep announcement as well. A different variation maybe.
Passengers travelling towards Yanchep, your next service from Platform 1 departs in 2 minutes. This service stops at all stations in Yanchep.
Yep, there it was. Alright. And here we go, see, this is what I'm saying now, people running. If you just missed this, your journey time just got increased by like almost an hour. See? Yep. And people missed it. That's so sad. Off it goes. That is the last Mandurah train for the day. And the C series. Bruh.
This is Cumberland Central. This service terminates here. Please mind the gap.
And confuse people as usual. Let's head up to the buses. Here we go, we've got Arctics operating, definitely required right now, absolutely packed off the train. 3103 and the express behind, but it's so full I don't even want to film it. Here's 3063 and the all stops which we're going to take down. Rockingham Station. And here we are at Rockingham Station. That was terrible. 50-minute journey. 50 Coburn to here. Absolutely terrible. That's like how long the whole Mandurah line takes. There's so much confusion, and it's just crazy having this main train replacement bus running the tiny little streets in Kwinana and Wella. It's so inefficient, but that's just how it has to go. There's no better option. And I never took it in this direction. I filmed in the other direction at night once, like more than a year ago. Well, Riley's phone filmed it, but this time I filmed it in this direction. It's probably a bit bad because of the sun, but there are people in there who just came from South Australia and were going to Mandurah and thought, let's take the train instead of an Uber. It's gonna be faster and cheaper. And then now they had to go on this. Plus they got on the wrong bus, so they had to go on all stops, and now they have to switch to the Mandurah bus. They spent like an hour and a half on the bus from, if not longer, from Coburn to Mandurah. So bad. It's such a bad impression for public transport for their arrival. But unfortunate that they just caught this stupid closure today. Anyway, here's RCC TS3. I came all the way to Rockingham now, but it's already well past 6 PM. It's still nice and bright though. We're gonna take the express back now. Hopefully it will be a lot faster. Hopefully the front seat's free too. And we're gonna check it out on the freeway all the way up. Here we are now back at Coburn Central. Just took B12 3008 from Mandurah Depot all the way up to Coburn. Pretty cool having it up here. Very nice driver on board as well, filmed from the front. It's dark now basically. It's almost 2 hours since I was here before. But I managed to film in both directions. Also, here's the new system map. Finally, they updated the Coburn one. Last time I was here, just like a week ago, they still had the old one without Yanchep extension on it. But now, here we have Ellenbrook Line on the map, and this Thorney Coburn link. Yes, it's already on here as well. And Byford. So platform 3 over there will be in use next year. Not too long left now. Anyway, I'm just gonna go back now, all the way to the north again. I wish I could stay on that bus the whole night, like, it's running till 2 AM, 3008, but, you know, I can't always do that. That'd be crazy. Thanks for watching this video, filming a unique shutdown. Oh, we have a C-series here now. Okay, maybe I might wait for this one to take it back. Yeah, this is what we saw at the start of the video. So see, 133 is here now. So in all that time, from when I started this video at Perth Underground, go on to Coburn, replacement bus to Rockingham and back. C-Series has already made it from Yanchep and back to Coburn. Terminating.